What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good today. All day I've been trying to make videos. It's just been one fail after another. I tried to do a live stream on Facebook, that didn't work. Tried to do a live stream on YouTube, that didn't work. I just got done recording two 30-minute videos, and none of that worked. I actually got it to work at the end. And then I just got salty and I deleted all my audio, and yeah, I didn't have any audio for the video. I'm going to start here. So I'm just going to make a simple, quick video, and I'm just going to do like parts and parts and parts. So the first part of this video is going to be how to set up Tradingview and just get that set up, and then I'll make another video like going over one indicator strategy, and then I'll make another video going over another, and then I'll make another video going over another indicator strategy. Because the first video I did 3 strategies, and they're all really good strategies, but I'm just going to take one at a time, make it per video, just more content to get out and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then we'll click start free trial. Okay, so here's all the options you could do. I would recommend doing this one, the pro. Eventually, if you make enough profit, if you take trading seriously, I would go for premium. But you can start with basic, and I recommend starting with basic. I would start, if you have the money and the funds, I would start with pro. But basic is enough. It will get you to point A to point B. It will do the job, okay? This one's nice because you get up to 5 indicators. You get up to 2 charts and windows, so you can look at a smaller time frame and a bigger time frame. I like to look at the 24-minute chart and the 4-hour chart, because the 24-minute chart is 1/10 of the 4-hour. So it just, it's like a slowed down version of it. You see what's going on. Okay, you could have 10 alerts. Alerts are fantastic. You can sit down on your phone, go to bed, get your alert, you're on your phone, making your trade. Okay, you don't have to deal with ads. Ads are annoying. Ads are toxic. No one likes ads. You get the value profile indicators, you get custom time indicators, which is nice. You get to make your own indicators. 24-minute is not on the free version, but 24-minute is on the paid version. You get multiple enhanced watch lists, which is nice. You get to make watch lists for different things. If you're into crypto, you can make your crypto watch list. If you're into Forex, you can have your Forex watch list. If you're into stocks, you can have your stock watch list. And then you can have your bar replay on intraday trades, so you can make the time go back a little bit, so there's not as much bars. You can't go forward because those bars are not printed in, but you can go backwards. It's really good for back testing with the bar replay on intraday bars. Okay, but like I said, if you don't got the money, you can just do the basic. Basic will work. Basic will get the job done. I will have an affiliate link. You just click it, and if you want to do the $14.99, you can sign up for that. Boom, boom, easy and done. All right. Yeah, you can hear it in my voice. I'm not very enthusiastic. First, get into Tradingview. This is exactly what it's going to look like. Alright. You've got your candlestick patterns right here. You've got your volume indicator right here. You got your watch list right here, alright? So I'm just going to delete all of these. Every time I get in, that's the first thing I do. And I delete all these, alright? And then I right click on the screen. You go to settings. Oops. Just kidding. And yeah, you're going to have these annoying ads. You're going to get them every 30 seconds. So, whoa. This is tripping me out a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, right click, color theme, dark mode. Alright. Now it already looks better. You're not going to feel like you're going to have a seizure looking at this really bright screen. You're not going to get horrible headaches for staring at this bright screen. Dark mode is a savior. I use it for literally everything. My phone, my YouTube. I don't know if it is for Facebook. I think it is for Facebook. I think you use dark mode on that too. If so, I want to change that because I use dark mode for everything. Okay, now we go to settings. And then we're going to go to appearance. Okay, so settings, appearance. And then you're going to see these vertical and horizontal grid lines. You take them, You slap them down to 0. Opacity, okay. Do it again. Settings. Horizontal lines. 0. Boom. Alright. And then you have your Tradingview all set up, all ready to go. Super simple, super easy. Alright, so now we are going to add something to our watch list. So I'm just going to add Bitcoin real quick. So when you click onto this plus for your watch list, you're going to have all of these options. You're going to have all stock, futures, forex, CFD, crypto, index, and economy. The only ones I will really ever mess with would be crypto, forex, and stock. So stocks, you're buying a portion of a company. That's what a stock is. Forex is you're trading money against money. So you're trading like US dollar versus the Australian dollar. Okay, you're trading the European dollar, the euro, versus, you know, the Japan yen. Okay, that's what forex is. And then cryptocurrency is digital money. Yes, it is actual currency. It's digital. It has a supply and a demand, and it's legitly mined. It's not mined by humans. It's mined by computers. Okay. So yes, it has an actual supply and a demand. You can't just go up and print it and be like, here's more. No, it legitimately has to be mined by a computer. Alright, everything goes from theism, humanism to dataism. Theism is when people would like pray, you know, like, oh, give me wealth, give me, you know, this and this and this. And then people would go out with their hands and work for what they wanted, and then people would go and build, design, and robots to do things for them. Okay, so that's humanism, theism, dataism. Dataism is the phase of currency which we are in now, which is cryptocurrency. Alright, now we got that done. And yeah, cryptocurrency is part of the blockchain. I'm not going to go into the blockchain because that will take me 3 hours to explain. Alright, so now that we chase that rabbit and that rabbit is shot, we could either do Bitcoin, you just type in Bitcoin. Okay, you would want to go to crypto and type in Bitcoin. But I would recommend learning the ticker symbols. So the ticker symbol for Bitcoin is BTC. People generally, when they type Bitcoin, they will not type Bitcoin, they will type BTC. For Ethereum, they will type ETH, okay? And for whatever exchange you are going to do, you want to do the exchange, okay? Most people, and when I make the tutorial, it's going to be for Coinbase, alright? You're going to start with Coinbase, so we're just going to do boom. ETH, USD, Coinbase. Alright, we're going to go back, add another one. We're going to go to BTC, USD, and then we're going to find Coinbase. Alright, let's add another one. We're going to do Litecoin, LTC, USD, and then we're going to find Coinbase. Alright, I'm just going to add all the basic ones right now. So we're going to go BCH, Bitcoin Cash, USD, Coinbase. Alright, I got Ethereum. Yeah, so these are pretty much all the basic, the old original OG coins. Alright, and then we got all that done. We got everything set up in our Tradingview, and then we have our Tradingview all set up. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Simple, easy, get everything set up, get everything done. The next video I create, I am going to be talking about a indicator setup. I'm just going to do a very basic 2 indicator setup. Is going to be the RSI, the relative strength index, and then the stochastic RSI, which is the stochastic relative strength index. Alright, and there's going to be some good tips. It's an easy strategy, beginner friendly, anyone can do it, anyone can use it. It's not the most amazing strategy out there, but it's definitely really good for beginners if you're just starting. Alright, if you guys have any questions, hit me up whenever. Do a comment below, find me on Facebook, add me on Facebook, hit me up, get in my DMs, get in my inbox, hit me up. I love talking to you guys. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Peace out. Love you guys.